Introducing the 2019 Toyota CHR 1.2T Sport 4-door in sleek grey. This hatchback packs a punch with a 1.2-litre petrol engine and manual transmission, jam-packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, cruise control, anti-collision system, lane departure warning, and more. The interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders, and a boot light, with a chrome package and privacy glass for added style and security. Rest assured with a full warranty, services to manufacturer spec, and a multi-point safety check. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie now for more details.